Hello, my dear students. Today, welcome for APIC platform. And today, my name is Naren Kumar Sharma. Okay, and today's my topic of class 11 is trigonometry of multiples and compounds. Okay, my dear. So first of all, you know very well in class 10 basic trigonometry. It means you know very well, and your teachers are studying very hard in class 10th trigonometric basics. I mean basics means you know very well in right angle triangle, uses of right angle triangle and its basic use of right angle triangle by trigonometry. So let's we start another advanced topic of trigonometry. So first of all we use some formulas. Sin A plus B sin A cos B plus cos A sin B sin A minus B sin A cos B cos A sin B. These are two formulas of sin A plus B. This is sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B cos A minus B cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, my dear students, again we have learned or remembering this question formulas. Sorry, sin A plus B sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, first you were noted. Okay, let's some example of these formulas, uses of these formulas. Okay, my dear students. So find the values of sin 15 degree, sin 75 degree and sin 105 degree. Okay, my dear students. So first of all we have solved this question of sin 15 degree. Solution. Sin 45 minus 30. Always student, my dear students, you have always remember when we have to find the value of 15 degree, 75 degree and 105 degree. So we have to use only and only. This is the A plus B formulas. Okay? Or in another sentence, we have to use sum or difference formulas of trigonometry. आप कभी भी याद रखेंगे, हिंदी में बता रहे हैं आपको कि आप लोग जो है जब भी आपसे 15 डिग्री 75 डिग्री और 105 डिग्री की वैल्यू पूछी जाएगी, आप हमेशा जो है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में सम और डिफरेंस फॉर्मूला जो होता है आई थिंक इसका a प्लस बी और a माइनस बी, इसी को ही आप यूज करेंगे. यू आर नॉट यूजिंग एनी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंड सप्लीमेंट्री फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ either 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta. Okay, my dear students, so let's start using the here sin a minus b. Sin a cos b cos a sin b. This is let's a is equal to 45 degree and b is equal to 30 degree. Okay, my dear students. So now sin 45 minus 30 sin 45 cos 30. This is cos 45 sin 30. Okay, my dear students, I hope you will write it these lines. So now we will rough it. Sin 45 minus 30. What is the value of sin 45? I think you have remembered in class 10th or learn 1 by root 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 cos 45 is the same value of sin 45. It means 1 by root 2 and sin 30, this is a 1 by 2. Okay, my dear. Root 3 into 1 root 3, 2 into root 2 2 root 2. Here we have rationalized under root 2 into under root 2. Okay, I think you have noted this line, so we have roughed it. Root 3 into 2 root 6 minus root 2, and this is 4. So finally we have to find the value of sin 15 degree is under root 6 minus under root 2 upon 4. Okay, my dear students. Okay, I think you will enjoy this question. So we have taken another question. Start. Second question. Sin 75. Sin 45 plus 30 degree. Okay. Sin A plus B. Now we are using the formula of sin A plus B. In my in the starting of class, we have written sin A plus B. What is the sin A plus B? Sin A cos B cos A sin B. Now let A is equal to 45 degree, B is equal to 30 degree. So sin 45 plus 30 degree, sin 45 cos 30 degree, cos 45 sin 30. Just you will identical this formula. Sin A plus B, where A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 30. Where A is equal to 45, B is equal to 30. A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 30. Okay, students, I think you will understand. So first of all, you will write this question, write this solution. Sorry. Sine 45, cos 30, root 3 by 2, cos 45 is the same value of sine 45, sine 30, 1 by 2, 1 upon 2 root 2. Again, here is root 2 in denominator, so we have rationalized root 2 by root 2. Okay, my dear students? Root 6 plus root 2 upon 4. This is sine 75. Okay, my dear students? So, here is value of sine 75 under root 6 plus under root 2 by 4. Okay, note this question, note this solution. Now, we have to take another question for this formula, helping this formula. Sine 105 degree sine 60 plus 45 sine 60 cos 45 cos 60 sine 45 sine 60 cos 60 1 by root 2. Okay. Root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Okay, my dear students. We have take exam. Here we take LCM 2 root 2. Root 6 plus root 2 by 4. So we have finally answer is sine 105 under root 6 plus under root 2 by 4. Okay, my dear students, I think you will enjoy it. Okay, okay, my dear students. Now we thank you for this cooperation. Thank you.